making judicious use of your digital crown, altering your watch face, and many more. You wouldn't want to miss out on all the terrific features that come with the Apple Watch SE2.
Oh no.
Yeah, he's making me take notes.
In this video, we will be giving you a beginner's guide to using your Apple Watch SE2. Connect Apple Watch SE2 to Apple device. If you're just getting started with the Apple Watch, you'll need to bring it closer to your iPhone or any other Apple device, such as your iPad, and click the side button to turn it on. You will receive a notification on your phone or watch to connect your Apple Watch to your phone. Activating the watch's display. The Apple Watch SE2 has two buttons on the side. A side button that, when pressed and held down for a short period, turns the watch on and off, and a digital crown that, whenever you need to use the watch, wakes the display. Talking about the display, we'll discuss how to customize and switch out your watch face to make it more unique soon. Keep watching to learn more.
I think I'll stay for a little while, if that's okay with you, sister.
Customizing Apple SE2 watch face. On the Apple Watch, you can make your watch face more personalized by choosing between a number of complications available on the watch. To access your notifications, slide the top of your watch down, just like you would with your phone. To go back, you can slide up or press your digital crown, which doubles as a home button, to remove the notification panel, which will take you back. While you're on your home screen, you can swipe down the screen to access a variety of functions, like your Wi-Fi, vibration mode, battery life, text size, and more. Your digital crown can also be used as a scroll to help you scroll through a number of things on your Apple Watch. Pressing your digital crown while you are at the home display will automatically display a cluster of all the apps that are available on your watch. We enjoy bringing you guidelines, reviews, and updates on the latest devices like this, so subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on any of our timely updates.
Oh, we got you covered. Ding!
Changing Apple Watch SE2 watch face. Hold down your current watch face until you see it shrink in size, then select Edit when it appears if you want to alter your watch face. Swipe through the options that emerge, such as the widgets, colors, and symbols. By holding down the current watch face while sliding to the side and clicking the plus symbol that appears, you can easily install a new watch face. Choose your preferred watch face from the list of possibilities that appears, and then click Add next to it. Swipe to the side to personalize your new watch face's colors, styles, complexities, etc. to see your new watch face on the screen. Press the Home button once more. You can hold down the active watch face and swipe to the sides to choose amongst your available watch faces if you have switched between two or more watch faces and feel like changing the current one without having to customize another one. Getting beautiful bands that you adore is another thing that adds personality to your watch. We'll be showing you how to quickly fix and take off your band, so keep watching. Downloading new apps on Apple Watch SE2. Click your Home button, and from the variety of apps that appear on your screen, fish out the Apple Store icon, click on it, and it will launch you into the Apple Store, where you can download any apps you want to use on your watch. You can search for apps by typing their names using the keyboard or by tapping on the microphone and speaking. You will have to go to your settings and enable dictation to use this feature. Altering settings on Apple Watch SE2. As per usual, click your digital crown to bring up a list of icons, then navigate through them to find the Settings app. Simply click it and experiment with the many settings that are accessible on your Apple Watch SE2. Charging Apple Watch SE2. It is simple to attach the included magnetic Apple Watch charger to the device's back in order to charge it. When you plug your charger into a power source, your watch will start charging while the charger and watch are held together by a magnetic force. Although it doesn't have fast charging like the Series 8 devices, it still charges fairly quickly.
It's worked out pretty good so far.
How to attach or detach Apple Watch SE bands. Two tiny buttons included with the watch let you attach and detach your bands. Push the button and slide the band out of its place to accomplish this. To detach the other end of the band, repeat this process. To attach your band, slide each end of the band into the space provided at both ends of the watch. We hope this video helped you understand the basic features of your Apple Watch SE2. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section. Until the next video, stay safe.